going to give you a quick tip. When you come onto reports, and this is the same for dashboards as well, I have some quick links that allow me to quickly get to these reports. So ones that I use commonly. So I commonly use the detail and call information. So when I come to my front screen, I can click on this straight away and it takes me into the report. So how do we do that? So what I'll do is if I go back to the screen here, on this screen here, on the very first screen, when you click on reports, you do have the ability to click on the little edit button in the top right. And you'll see here that I can delete my favorites, because this is what they're called. They're called favorites. Or I can add new favorites to my front screen. So there's common dashboards that you're going to. It may be, you know, it's the call queues dashboard that you use in Teams, for example. You can create a quick link or a favorite. And what that then does is when you come into the dashboards, you have a quick link here that you simply click on and it will take you there. If not, you know, you can always come on the left-hand side, go to details, and then, you know, we're going to be looking at the call information report here.